12 side hustle ideas to make extra money in 2024. Nearly everyone could benefit from a little extra income, but sometimes saving extra money and having a full-time job aren't enough. Good side hustles build recurring revenue streams that go a long way in earning extra income. If you're looking to make passive income or some extra money by converting a hobby into your own business, browse our list of side hustle ideas. Everything from pet sitting to digital marketing to gig economy work. 25 side hustle ideas to try in 2024. Are you ready to start a side hustle? Browse these ideas in detail for information on how you can launch an online business or make extra cash by selling your skills. 1. Monetize a YouTube channel. YouTube has 2.7 billion users who watch 1 billion hours of videos every single day. Building an audience big enough to profit from YouTube ads takes a lot of time, which is why it's better to find a more direct connection to revenue than to wait for ads to become viable. Luckily, there are a ton of ways to make money on YouTube that go beyond paid ads. Tip: start by producing great content that resonates with your target audience. As you grow your following, consider making more money selling paid subscriptions, producing merch to sell online, or doing paid sponsorships. 2. Sell digital products. Digital products include any non-physical asset that exists in the digital world. These products are typically downloadable or streamable files like MP3s, PDFs, videos, and templates. If you're a musician, music is always needed for movies and ad campaigns. If you're a graphic designer, websites are always looking for new fonts and graphics to make their site stand out. Digital products could include educational materials, audio files like stock sound effects or music, digital templates, and more. 3. Become an IRL or online tutor. Teaching is one of the most rewarding opportunities, and with online platforms like Cambly, TutorOcean, Preply, and Learn2Be, it's easy for anyone to tutor students online. Some young entrepreneurs even start freelancing while in school. 4. Deliver packages. Anyone with time and access to a vehicle can now sign up to deliver packages through Amazon Flex. Work scheduling is flexible. Drivers simply sign up for a block of time and receive as many or as few delivery assignments as they have time for. Start a podcast. Podcasting, like social media and blogging, has become a staple of the broader world of online content. In fact, podcasts have been growing more popular each year since their creation. Podcasting is comparatively cheap, too. A decent USB microphone sold specifically for podcasting can be purchased for less than $100, and recording platforms like Audacity are free and easy to use. 6. Design and sell your own t-shirts. Print-on-demand businesses are fun, low-risk ventures if you have a passion for design and are looking to dip your feet into the entrepreneurial waters. 7. Offer pet sitting and dog walking services. These days, people treat their pets as members of the family, so there's a growing demand for reliable people to take care of their furry loved ones. 8. Become a rideshare driver. These days, there are several options for those wanting to drive for a rideshare company. You can always drive for tried and tested companies like Uber or Lyft, but there are also independent options that cater to specific needs or cities, like Zero, which is largely based in San Francisco, or Wings, which specializes in shuttling people to and from the airport. 9. Deliver groceries and other items. If you enjoy driving but don't always enjoy having strangers in your car, you can sign up to drive for grocery delivery apps. Food delivery is an easy-to-start side hustle, with a ton of apps like Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, Postmates, Skip the Dishes, Canada only, and Menulog, Australia and New Zealand only, where you can sign up to become a driver. 10. Rent out your home or a spare room. You likely already spend time caring for and maintaining your home, so why not make some extra cash from it? Airbnb is the most common way to rent out your home, but you might also try listing it on other apps like Vrbo, Agoda, or Plumguide, UK only. 11. Offer digital marketing services. With the number of online businesses out there, there's always a need for freelancers with specific skills to help founders create content, run social channels, optimize a website, and more. 12. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is when you advertise someone else's products or services on your platform and get a commission from any sale that comes from your referral, usually through a unique link or code. It's a great way to gain some passive income while you're either working on a different side hustle or working on your passions. To get started, go to an affiliate marketplace like Lead Pages, ConvertKit, ClickBank, or ShareASale and find the right products for you. And if you're a content creator, course educator, or influencer working in the world of e-commerce, the Shopify affiliate program might be a great side hustle. How to start a side hustle. Here are the steps to take to start a side hustle. Research the options. The side hustles in this guide are a great jumping-off point. Dig into a few that pique your interest and see if you can make money doing them in your spare time. Map out your plan. Check if you require any licenses, equipment, or special training. Plot your side hustle onto your existing calendar to see how many hours per week you can dedicate to it. Advertise your services or products. Depending on your side gig, you'll need to let the world know you're open for business. If you're selling services like personal training, start a TikTok account, sharing workout tips, and point to your contact info. Level up or not? Many people start side hustles with the full intention of keeping them that way. But if your idea takes off and your services are in high demand, consider leveling up your side hustle and learning how to start a business. And there you have it. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy entrepreneuring.